Good morning, children. How are you? Are you fine? See, we met last Thursday, right? Okay. Today, we are going to continue studying computer science. For that, what are things we have discussed last week? Yes, we discussed the uses of computers in places like shops, airports and railway station, and also banks and offices, and also in designing. See, we have studied many things. You have to read the textbook, and you should you should aware about all these things. But for the examination, you have to study only a few question answers that I have given in the notebook. Okay, I have given some question answers today. Also, I will give some question answers, and then you have to study the exercises behind the textbook. Hope you all got your computer science textbook. So today we are going to do the exercises in the textbook. For that, you have to take your textbook, take page number 10, okay, and your pencil and eraser. Are you ready to write? Okay. So children, before we start doing exercises, I just want to revise the new words and question answers that I have given in your notebook. See, in the notebook, I have given a few new words. First one is man. What is the spelling of man? M-A-N, man. What is the spelling of man? M-A-N, man. Then memory, M-E-M-O-R-Y, memory. M-E-M-O-R-Y, memory. Next is electronic. E-L-E-C-T-R-O-N-I-C, electronic. E-L-E-C-T-R-O-N-I-C, electronic. Then what is the spelling of machine? M-A-C-H-I-N-E, machine. M-A-C-H-I-N-E, machine. L-I-S-T-E-N, listen. L-I-S-T-E-N, listen. D-I-S-E-A-S-E-S, diseases. D-I-S-E-A-S-E-S, diseases. Then what is the spelling of superior? S-U-P-E-R-I-O-R, superior. S-U-P-E-R-I-O-R, superior. Then teaching. What is the spelling of teaching? T-E-A-C-H-I-N-G, teaching. See, while you study all these things, you have to do oral practice first. At least 10 to 15 times you have to do oral practice. After that, you write and study 5 times in your rough note. Okay, then only you will be thorough with all these words. So children, first you do oral practice and then write and study. Okay, some words are little tough like electronic, then superior, disease, okay, memory, or some words are little tough, so you have to write and practice. Okay, if it is possible, daily you practice, because we are getting only one period, so I come and tell you to study only once in a week. So daily you practice. Okay, then in the notebook we wrote some question answers. Okay, what is computer? First question answer is, what is computer? What is computer? Computer is an electronic machine. What is computer? Computer is an electronic machine. Then write any 4 places where computers are used. What are the different places where we use computers? School, shop, office, bank, etc. Okay, so these question answers also you have to do oral practice at least 10 times and write and study 5 times. Okay, if spellings are little tough, see electronic machine, see all these things I have given separate in new words. So first you write and study the new words and then you write and study the question answers. Okay children, good. And next you take page, I told you to take page number 10, right? Page number 10. And for the exercise, first I'll read the question. Okay, write what they are doing through the computer. See, some pictures are given. You have to write what they are doing in the space given. Okay, in the first picture, a boy is doing calculations, right? A boy is doing calculations, so you can write doing calculations word. And next picture, a doctor is checking the x-ray, right? Checking the x-ray, so you can write checking x-ray. Okay, checking x-ray you can write. And third one, billing in the shop, so the same word you can use, billing. And next is a girl is playing games on computer, so you can write playing games. Okay children, and next exercise, page number 11. Section B is answer the following questions. First one, what is computer? What is computer? Computer is an electronic machine. See, that we already wrote in our notebook, so that section we can just leave, because I'll give you question answer separate in your notebook. So next section is mark tick if the sentence is correct and cross if it is wrong. Section C. Look at the textbook. First question, a computer always makes mistakes. A computer always makes mistake. They are telling that computer always makes mistake. Is it true? No, it is not true, right? Then you write a cross. Then you put a cross inside the box, or you can use F for false statement. Okay, either you can use tick or cross, or you can use F for false and T for true. Okay, first statement is false, so you can put a cross or you can write F. Understand? And second one, it is better to write F, I think. You write F. And second one, humans never make mistakes. Is it true, that statement? We never make mistake. No, sometimes we make mistake, right? So that statement is again false. So you write F inside the box or put a cross. Okay children. And third question, a palm top is smaller in size than a laptop. You just imagine the picture of palm top and laptop. Which is bigger? Laptop is bigger compared to palm top, right? See, so the statement is a palm top is smaller in size than laptop. Is it true? Yes, that is true. Put a tick mark or T inside the box. Fourth question, a computer needs electricity to work. A computer needs electricity to work. That is also true. Computer is an electronic machine, right? It needs electricity. So that is also true. You just put a tick mark inside the box or write T. Okay. And fifth question, we cannot solve problems in a computer. We cannot do calculations in a computer. What do you think? Is it true? No, we can do calculations in computer. See, in the picture, one boy is doing sums, right? So we can do calculations. So that statement is false again. You just put a cross or F inside the box. Do you finish? And if you have any doubt, you can check the answers given below. Okay, I have given separate section C and section D answers separate. If you have any doubt, you just check your answers. Okay, and write it properly. Okay, children. And next is fill in the blanks using the words given below. First question, a computer is a dash device. A computer is an dash device. What is the answer? Computer is an electronic device. Computer is an electronic device. So you write electronic in that line. What is the spelling of electronic? ELECTRONIC, electronic. Do you finish? Okay. Second one, we can play dash on computer. We can play dash on computer. Yes, the option given is desk, electronic games, laptop, shops, etc. So which option is correct? Games. We can play games on computer. What is the spelling of games? GAMES, games. So you write games in that line. We can play games on computer. Good. And next is third question. Computers are used at dash to make bills. Computers are used at dash to make bills. For making bill, we use computers at which place? Yes, in shops we use computers, right? For billing. To make bills, we use computers in shops. So the answer is shop. Okay, what is the spelling of shops? SHOPS, shops. So third question answer, shops. Computers are used at shops to make bills. Do you finish? Okay, then fourth question. Desktop computers are generally placed on a dash. In the question itself answer is there. Desktop computers placed on a desk. Okay, so you write desk inside in that line. Desktop computers are generally placed on a desk. What is the spelling of desk? DESK, desk. DESK, desk. Desktop computers are generally placed on a desk. Do you finish? Okay, last question. Dash computer can be carried wherever we go. Dash computer can be carried wherever we go. Which type of computer we used to carry? See, in the option they have given desk, electronic, games, laptop, shops. Which will be the answer? Laptop. Laptop is like a briefcase. We can carry wherever we go. Understand? So you write laptop. What is the spelling of laptop? LAPTOP, laptop. What is the spelling? LAPTOP. So you write LAPTOP, laptop in the line. Fifth question, laptop computer can be carried wherever we go. So we finish the exercises. You just read, go through these exercises daily and practice difficult spellings. Okay, you can expect questions like this. See, next class we will revise and also I will give you one small demo class test. Today, only this much. And one more thing, you have to write question answers. Put today's date on the margin. What is the date? 2/7, Thursday. Today is Thursday and July 2nd. So put today's date and then write the question answer. Third question, first and second we already wrote. Third question, how is computer used in schools? How is computer used in schools? Computers are used in schools to prepare report cards and to teach. We need to write only two. Okay, first one, to generate report cards or to prepare report cards, and then to teach. How is computer used in schools? Computers are used in schools to prepare report cards and to teach. You just study the spelling of teach, report cards, prepares. Okay, you have to write these words separate. Okay, and first you practice difficult spellings. After that, you do oral practice. Okay, and then study the question answer first and then write 3 or 5 times. And next question, write the names of different types of computers. In this chapter, we have studied only 3 types of computers. Which are they? Desktop computer, laptop, and palm top. What are the 3 different types of computers? Desktop computer, laptop computer, and palm top. So fourth question is, write the names of different types of computers. What are the different types of computers? Desktop, laptop, and palm top. Okay children, only this much for today. Thank you so much. Write and practice, read and practice. Okay, thorough with the question answers, new words, and also you check exercises behind the textbook. Thank you so much. Bye.